Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Install Zone. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Kodi 21.2, the latest version of this amazing media player, on your Amazon FireStick. This method is updated for 2025 and works like a charm. So, let's get started. First, go to the Settings menu on your FireStick. Scroll to My Fire TV and select it. Now, click on Developer Options and turn on Apps from Unknown Sources. This step is important because Kodi latest version is not available on the Amazon App Store. Next, go to the home screen and search for the Downloader app. Once you find it, click on Download and install it. This app will help us download Kodi on our FireStick. Open the Downloader app and type in the official Kodi download link. https://kodi.tv/download. Once the website opens, select the Android version because FireStick runs on Android. Now, choose the 32-bit ARM version and hit download. Once the download is complete, click Install on the pop-up screen. After installation, click Open to launch Kodi 21.2 for the first time. And there you have it. Kodi is now installed on your FireStick. Head to Settings and GT, System and enable unknown sources. Also, you can install popular add-ons like The Crew for streaming movies, TV shows, or live sports. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more FireStick tips and tricks.